Mystix プレゼンツヴィンテージクルエジーン USA
Hey everyone! On this episode of Vintage Cruis'n U.S.A, I'm out in Chicago checking out UNIQUE Thrift.
In the darkness, something told me that the light is not far.
So we're here at the UNIQUE Thrift store located in Chicago. I came up with an acronym to help me make the most out of my thrifting experience and wanted to share it with everyone. It's Be Thrifty. Trust your instincts. Hunt for good deals. Research the thrift. Identify name brands. Forethink your purchase goals. Throw maybes in your cart. You control your purchases. Don't buy overpriced items. Remember to be thrifty. Be thrifty. You know the drill? Mesko. Trust your instincts.
That there's so many questions in your eyes. Why do I wake up every day?
UNIQUE Thrift is a branch of savers spread across the USA that dedicates part of their profits to local nonprofit organizations. Research the thrift. Bet you like this.
Oh yeah, I love that. Nice. Yeah, how much is it?
Camera? Sorry.
Yeah, it is. Sorry.
Oh wow, this is really nice. Wait.
Pretty good.
Look at this tie.
Yay, that tie.
Oh, that's all.
Yeah, I like that one.
My camera person loves ties.
And bow ties.
Is an aesthetic. What the fuck are we doing? What the fuck is up with people? What the fuck is up with fashion? What the fuck is up with life? Why the fuck is everyone in a hurry?
I need to find something to hold on stuff to
We're retrogressing. We're retrogressing. Do you know what that means? Do you know?
Thrifting is a way we can recycle things we might not want and others may be interested in, but can't afford shelf prices. Donating your unwanted items to a thrift not only helps the environment by giving your item a second chance, but gives someone else an opportunity to own something they may never have had the chance of owning.
Isabel.
Oh wait, Unique. Let's go look at purple, 50% off. But it's kind of ugly though, right? That's what I thought. Let's go. Hunt for good deals. I started thrifting as a kid wanting to save money from my mom and exercise my artsy desires on clothes that weren't new and store-bought. I realized that I could find a lot of vintage and premium items that I wanted and couldn't afford to buy in a thrift. It opened a whole new world to me. We're looking for funky patterns. Forethink your purchase goals. Farted right here. Just like fart.
Guess I'm not breathing.
Really? Do you smell a fart?
I'm not breathing. I breathed it. Oh, I smelled it. Oh, gross. It was gross. Gross.
Attention unique guests, items with missing tags or damaged tags cannot and will not be sold.
Do you need to raise funds for your school, sports team, church, or other nonprofit? Ask the store manager about our fund drive program. We put the fun back in fundraising.
Sorry. Woo! That's really nice.
Yeah, I kind of like it, but then I kind of don't. But then again, I kind of don't. So I'll leave it right here and see if I like it later when I come back.
Oh my god, that's so carnival-like.
Carnival, not going.
Sorry.
I like funky patterns. It's a fake undershirt. I guess people over here really like birds and stuff. We are kind of close to the country.
Yeah. Country.
Kind of matches with your tie.
Yeah. The one that you dropped?
My cousin thinks that I would like this.
It shows too much elbow.
How about this dress? I like That's cute.
I like it.
I was being sarcastic.
I like it because I like apples.
Give me some time. I just want to lie in my thoughts of you. Oh, shy girl, shy girl. I just want you to hold me in my thoughts. Make me feel good in my dreams. 'Cause I'm too shy to approach you. Too shy to get to know you. I'm a shy.
That looks very nice.
Size is this. I might have to try it on, but I kind of like this strawberry pattern thing.
Do you know strawberries aren't actually berries?
Of course they're berries.
Nope.
So what are they?
They no, they are fruit. They're still fruits, but it's a different type of fruit. and they're just not in the berry section of the fruit, but a tomato is.
The type of fruit or false fruit she's referring to is an accessory fruit, meaning that the fleshy part is derived not from the plant's ovaries, but from the receptacle that holds the ovaries. I'll put a little diagram there. Each apparent seed on the outside of the fruit is actually one of the ovaries of the flower, with a seed inside it. The more you know. I never knew that.
Yeah.
The more you learn, guys.
The more you know.
Alright, so I'm back where I started. Let's see if there's any cool fanny packs. I doubt it. Nobody wears fanny packs anymore.
Wake up, can't believe it's another day. Always thinking, what should I say? Wanna go out and play, feel awkward. When I walk in a room, my mind zooms, my head goes boom, boom, boom. Like I ate a shroom or two. Screaming, what should I do? Feeling like a fool. Eyes on my chest, eyes on my neck like vampire beast. Getting ready for a face up, give me time to breathe. Should've said this, should've said that. Always thinking after the fact. Trying not to give a fuck, but I end up giving two guys like, come here, cutie, let me see that booty bounce. A girl can't help but bite, provoke, fuck, being treated like a joke. Just wanna talk with a few blokes without getting asked to stroke. Let's just smoke.
That's a very bright pink.
Yeah, it's not bad though. It's cool. Windbreakers are always good. This Puma jacket I found is from the 80s, 90s era. The style is reminiscent of the color block highlighter look that was trending at the time. This piece online is totally overpriced and not individually available. I've seen other similar ones on sale for about $45 to, well, whatever people want to price it to. The one I found in UNIQUE Thrift was in better condition than the ones I saw online. Identify, name brands.
Let's just smoke. Drifting on cloud 9. Drifting on cloud 9. Drifting on cloud 9. 9. All feeling so divine. We're drifting on cloud 9. Drifting on cloud 9. 9.
Let's see what we got. Found this windbreaker.
Nice.
The skirt.
It's a very nice skirt.
My cousin likes this little tie.
Yeah.
Little tomboy. See-through shirt, jacket, and then some scarves. So let's see if we're gonna go. Oh, what's this?
More floral clothing.
Butterfly room.
It still has flowers on it, so it's still floral.
I like it. Throw maybes in your cart. Alright, let's go.
Just come clean, fuck, flipping through television screen. Just lean in and whisper. Social anxiety rushes my spine. Income points cry and I whine while outside acting so divine. All the stars aligned, laughing in delight, delight, delight. While laughing in delight, delight, delight. Others like to hate and dictate what people should create. That's a mental state built to annihilate over the beauty that we await. So just stay, feeling uber bright, shining in the night, drifting on cloud 9, 9, 9, drifting on cloud 9. We're drifting on cloud 9.
Uncomfortable camera person noises.
She's uncomfortable. Let's get out of here. Look at these panties. I mean, I wouldn't buy it.
Girl.
Others like to hate and dictate what people should create. That's a mental state built to annihilate over the beauty that we await. So just stay, feeling uber bright, shining in the night, drifting on cloud 9, 9, 9, drifting on cloud 9. We're drifting on cloud 9, drifting on cloud 9.
looking for a copper bowl.
Ooh, copper. Don't you need those for like your jumps?
Yeah. Excuse me, sir. See, this is copper right here.
Nice.
This is the soap bowl. Just hold this box for now.
You're dropping everything.
I don't have anything to carry my stuff.
Like a fantasy, some people rather see fallacy than true. What should I do? Rather stay true? Stay with my mind. No, I don't like that wine. If you don't like me, that's fine. Not even worth my time. They say, oh, she's kind of awkward and a little clumsy. Let's stitch her, yeah, that's funny. Let's stitch her, yeah, that's funny. Like the way I feel in your mouth, cause you can't seem to get me out. Turn a blind eye and the hate that spouts. Stay with my mind, yeah, I go all out. Nomii got the U.S.A I.
Oopsies.
Let's stitch her, yeah, that's funny. Like the way I feel in your mouth, cause you can't seem to get me out. Turn a blind eye and the hate that spouts. Stay with my mind, yeah, I go all out. Nomii got the U.S.A I. Wanata no Puchu wa watashi wa kimi shinai. Suteki de warimasen. Anata wa munkake desu. Watashi wa kinyo dato. Sore wa utsukushi desu. Beach. Drifting on cloud 9. Drifting on cloud 9. Drifting on cloud 9. 9. While feeling so divine. We're drifting on cloud 9. We're feeling so divine. 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 While drifting on cloud 9. Feeling so divine. Venus.
No fitting room. So we gotta try this on right here. She's smaller than that. Yeah, she's my size. What the hell, bro? What do you think, Chloe? You control your purchases. Don't buy overpriced items. Remember to be thrifty.